Hello, hello, everyone.
Hi.
Welcome. What day are we on? Three. We're on day three. So this is a gooder. These are two very big fan favorites, must-have foundational oils. So let's dive right in. If you purchase On Guard today, you get Easy Air or Breathe if you're down in the States. But Tannis, let's dive in. How do you love to use On Guard?
Oh my gosh, how do I not love to use On Guard, right? So all three ways I love it. But I'm going to say in the diffuser is probably my go-to just because it hits everybody in the house, right? Everyone's going to benefit whether you're not feeling good, whether you're trying to prevent whatever your sibling has or spouse has or parent has, right? So I love it in the diffuser. And I also love to just put a drop in my hands and have an instant quick hand sanitizer.
Love those tips. I always like talking about when we talk about diffusing and deeply inhaling our oils, you absorb about 80% of that into your bloodstream. So just because you're not, rolling it on your spine or ingesting it doesn't mean that it's not supporting your body and everyone else in your home too.
Totally.
So during the winter months, I try to have this on my body, in my body, around my body once a day, whether that be diffusing it. I have my immune roller in my bathroom that I roll up and down my spine before I go to bed. And of course, on those days where you're starting to feel a tickle in your throat, I'll put a drop in water or just a spray bottle and spray the back of my throat because it just gets rid of those nasties right away.
Totally.
Cool. So let's talk about Easy Air.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You guys, if you ever had your parents or you use the little green tub as a kid, you know what I'm saying? And then they would put it on the bottoms of your feet, or you would just breathe it in or put it on your chest. This you're going to love because it's going to take you back to when you were a kid and you're going to get all the amazing benefits without the yucky petroleum. And it smells just like that, right? Like it smells so good. It's so wonderful to your sinuses and your airways in here. It kind of gets rid of all the gunk. A cool tip, you guys, put a drop in your shower and then have a nice warm shower and you're going to get all those vapors and it's just, oh, it's heaven.
I love those tips and I do a lot of those things in my house as well. So this is one that we diffuse all year round and we diffuse it mostly at nighttime. So when you're sleeping, you want to promote a very restful sleep and most of our tissues actually repair while we're sleeping. Your tissues can't repair without proper oxygen. So not only there's been these amazing science studies that shows that when you use Easy Air, it actually helps promote a better oxygenation in your lungs.
So cool.
So cool.
Yeah.
And on that, if you're going to work out, go for a run, go for a hike, or going any winter sports this year, apply it on the front of your lungs and the back to help promote clear airways and clear breathing as you're going and doing those extraneous activities.
Love it.
And I think that's about it. Those two are honestly our powerhouses for your health, for all ages of your family. And those are some great tips and tricks on how to use them for this upcoming winter season.
Absolutely. I'm surprised it's not sold out already. The last time this BOGO was on, I think it's sold out. At least in Canada, it's sold out like really fast.
Yeah,
So it's so cool that they have enough stock, right, to last all of us millions of people.
exactly. Exactly.
Yeah.
Well, bye for now. We'll be popping in tomorrow as well. So stay tuned and see you later.
Bye.